Hey everyone, so as you've seen, I've been getting into some epoxy making things and jewelry and different things to sell. So I thought I would try and up my photography game and get better pictures of the products that I'm creating so that hopefully they sell better. When I was looking around, I found a light box at a local craft store to help take better photos, but it was 130 bucks, and when I looked online, they were like 40 to 60 bucks and up, and I thought I could probably make one cheaper than any of those options. So here's what we found. We went to a local tech store and I found this ring light that plugs in for about 20 bucks. There is a cheaper model that's rechargeable for $10, so there is that option, but I thought with what I'm doing and being out in the shop all the time, it might be better to have one that plugs in. And then we went to the craft store and we found these pack of 6.
Mental note, read packaging before starting video. I said 6-piece set of canvases. It clearly says 7 on the package.
12 by 12 painting canvases for $11. And we're gonna see if we can create a light box for cheaper than I could buy on the internet or in a store. Thank you. Hand me over. Alright, now that I've got everything unboxed, here's my working plan. I'm going to take these, clamp them together on the corners so that they form a 90-degree angle, like this. And then I'm going to take my 18 gauge brad nailer and tack them together and then work my way around until I have a box. So something to keep in mind is the boards on the frame are wider this way than they are this way, so I need to be sure that when I use the brad nailer to tack them on the outer edge so that I don't split the board or puncture the canvas and expose light into my light box. Make sure my hands are not in the way. Success. Mostly square. Okay, so I've got the 4 walls of my box. Now I need to attach the back. So here is the conundrum I have. This is 12 by 12. All of these are 12 by 12. So when I go to lay this on top of here, my border is now too big. So I can either like offset it and get a really good seal on this side and have a little gap here, but I'm going to try and see if I can center it in the top. So what I'm going to do, once I get it centered, is I'm going to tack it and I'm going to aim slightly outward with my brad nailer, and hopefully I'll get good seal on all 4 sides for the back of my light box. need to do is get a hammer and basically tack down all of these that didn't go in flush, and then we'll be just about wrapped up. So this is a nail set hammer. Got our light box done. See?
The light box.
We have our light box. Alright, now we're going to see if we can get the light set up so that we can take some pictures. Alright, here's my light. It's got a 24-inch flexible arm, so I'm going to clamp it to the back of the box on the lip here and then try and aim the light down into the box, so when I turn it on, it kind of just diffuses inside. Like I said, it plugs in and the controls are on the cable. It actually has two different light settings. It had three light settings. It has a like bright white LED. It has like a warm, like you'd find in like regular incandescent bulbs. And the third one is a mystery. We'll find out together. So there's the regular bright white, there's the warm, and there's our medium, somewhere in between. Alright. Oh yeah. Look at it. Look at all that light just diffusing around.
And now I want to see it. I want to see it.
Alright, let's grab something. Let's put it in here and see how it looks. Alright guys, so here is the light setup with something inside the light box so you can see the effect. There is a little bit of a shadow still on the back wall of the box. In hindsight, now that we've got it all set up, the $10 model light may have been a better option because it clips directly onto your phone and allows you to shoot with the light surrounding your lens. So that actually might get rid of the shadow a little bit better than this like arm does. But overall, it's pretty good. I mean, my pictures will be better than they were shooting on my kitchen countertop. So there's a win. If you have any thoughts or comments, feel free to leave them below. And if you want to know what this product is that's inside the photo box, I'll put a link to another video showing you how I did this one in the next video. Okay, so this light is actually working really well. Another thing that I didn't mention about this light is it has a second arm on it that has a phone attachment. So if you, like what we did, we flipped our box upside down and have the light aiming straight down, and I have my phone actually in the phone holder so that I can take pictures and video from within the box. That's another cool feature that I hadn't really thought about. I didn't think I'd use it very much, but I probably will now that I've played with it and see how it works. So, all in all, this project cost us like 30 bucks and a little bit of time, and I have a light box that's functional and way cheaper than anything I could find in a store or online. So, I'm happy, and I'll hopefully have better photos going forward. And on the cable, there's a power button.
And the cable.